An equation. An equation is a condition of variable. The word variable means something whose value can be changed. The value of variables is not fixed. They are usually denoted by small alphabets like X, Y, Z, U, V, W, etc. Expression can be formed using various operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division on variables. In an equation, there is always a sign of equality. This equality sign indicates that the value of the expression to the right side of the equality sign should be equal to the value of the expression to the left side of equality sign. Note 1. An equation must contain sign of equality. For example, 2x plus 5 is equal to 7 is an equation. But 2x plus 5 is greater than 7 or 2x plus 5 is lesser than 7 are not equations. They are called inequations. 2. At least one of the two expressions LHS or RHS of an equation should have variable involved. 3. An equation remains the same when the expression on the left and right side are interchanged. An algebraic expression with sign of equality having one variable with highest power of variable as 1. Example, 3x plus 4 is equal to 0 is an linear equation. Translation of day-to-day problems into linear equation form. Linear equation is an equation in which variable have power of 1 only. Steps 1. Read the problem carefully and find what is given and what is required. 2. Identify the unknown quantity and denote it by any variable like x, y, z, etc. 3. Translate the statement of the problem into a mathematical sentence, that is, an equation. Example 1. Iqbal owns a rectangular plot of land. Its breadth is 7 meter, less than its length. Perimeter of the plot is 1034 meter. Set up an equation for the given problem. Solution. Let the length of plot L is equal to x meter. Therefore, breadth B is equal to x minus 7 meter. Then, perimeter of plot is equal to 2 in the brackets L plus B, which is equal to 2 in the brackets x plus x minus 7 meters, which is equal to 2 in the brackets 2x minus 7 meters, which is equal to 4x minus 14 meters. But perimeter is given as 1034 meters. Thus, 1034 is equal to 4x minus 14. Example 2. In an isosceles triangle, the vertex angle is twice either of the base angles. Find the angles of triangle. Solution. In an isosceles triangle, both the base angles are equal. Let both the angles are equal to x degree. Hence, vertex angle is 2x degree. Therefore, 2x plus x is equal to 180 degree. 4x is equal to 180 degree. This implies that x is equal to 45 degree. Solving an equation. Solution or root of a linear equation. Any number which can be used to replace the variable in an equation, making the equation true, is called the solution or root of an equation. Rule to remember while solving an equation.
First, we can add or subtract the same number to both sides of an equation.
2. We can multiply or divide both sides of the equality sign by a non-zero number. A linear equation can be solved by using the above rules. This method of solving the equation is called systematic method. Systematic method. While solving a linear equation by systematic method, we should keep the following points in mind. 1. Combine all the like terms on each side of the equation. 2. Bring the unknown literal variable on one side of equation using the above rules. Example 1. Give first the steps you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. A. 3L is equal to 51. B. B by 2 is equal to 61. Solution. A. 3L is equal to 51. Divide both sides by 3. 3L by 3 is equal to 51 by 3, or L is equal to 17. B. B by 2 is equal to 61. Multiply both the sides by 2. 2 into B by 2 is equal to 61 into 2, or B is equal to 122. Example 2. Solve the following equations and check also. A. 10p plus 10 is equal to 200. B. 3s plus 12 is equal to 0. Solution. A. 10p plus 10 is equal to 200. Subtract 10 from both the sides. 10p plus 10 minus 10 is equal to 200 minus 10, or 10p is equal to 190. On dividing both the sides by 10, we get 10p by 10 is equal to 190 by 10, or p is equal to 19. Thus, p is equal to 19 is the solution. Check. 10p plus 10 is equal to 200. 10 into 19 plus 10 is equal to 200. 190 plus 10 is equal to 200. 200 is equal to 200. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. B. 3s plus 12 is equal to 0. On subtracting 12 from both the sides, we get 3s plus 12 minus 12 is equal to 0 minus 12, or 3s is equal to minus 12. On dividing both the sides by 3, we get 3s by 3 is equal to minus 12 by 3. S is equal to minus 12 by 3. Thus, S is equal to minus 4 is the solution. Check. 3s plus 12 is equal to 0. 3 into, in the brackets, minus 4 plus 12 is equal to 0. Minus 12 plus 12 is equal to 0. 0 is equal to 0. LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, S is equal to minus 4 is the solution. Example 3. Solve 4a plus 3 is equal to 7a minus 3. Solution. 4a plus 3 is equal to 7a minus 3. To bring variable to one side of equation, subtract 4a from both the sides. 4a plus 3 minus 4a is equal to 7a minus 3 minus 4a. 3 is equal to 3a minus 3. On adding 3 to both the sides, we get 3 plus 3 is equal to 3a minus 3 plus 3. 6 is equal to 3a. On dividing both the sides by 3, we get 6 by 3 is equal to 3a by 3. 2 is equal to a. Check. 4a plus 3 is equal to 7a minus 3. 4 into 2 plus 3 is equal to 7 into 2 minus 3. 8 plus 3 is equal to 14 minus 3. 11 is equal to 11. LHS is equal to RHS. Transposition method of solving an equation. We can solve a linear equation by the method of transposition. Transposition means shifting a number or variable from one side to other side of equality sign. While transposing a number to the other side of equality sign, we change its sign. So, if we have to transpose plus 5 to the other side, then we write it as minus 5 to the other side. Example A. 2p plus 5 is equal to 7. On transposing 5 to the other side means adding minus 5 to the other side. That is, 2p is equal to 7 plus in the brackets minus 5. B. 2p minus 15 is equal to 27. Transposing minus 15 to the other side means adding plus 15 to the other side. That is, 2p is equal to 27 plus 15. We can transpose the expressions also to the other side with their changed sign. Example, 2x plus 5 is equal to 7x. Transpose 2x to the other side as minus 2x. 5 is equal to 7x minus 2x. Example 1. Solve the given equation by using transposition. A. 12p plus 5 is equal to 25. B. 2y plus 5 by 2 is equal to 37 by 2. Solution. A. 12p plus 5 is equal to 25, or 12p is equal to 25 minus 5, or 12p is equal to 20, or p is equal to 20 by 12, which is equal to 10 by 6, which is equal to 5 by 3. B. 2y plus 5 by 2 is equal to 37 by 2. 2y is equal to 37 by 2 minus 5 by 2, or 2y is equal to 37 minus 5 by 2, or 2y is equal to 32 by 2, which is equal to 16, or y is equal to 16 by 2, y is equal to 8. Example 2. Solve the following equations and check your answer also.
A. 2x minus 1 by 3 is equal to x plus 2 by 2.
B. X by 6 plus 5 is equal to x by 3 plus 2. A. 2x minus 1 by 3 is equal to x plus 2 by 2. On multiplying both the equations by 3 into 2, we get 2 into 3 multiplied by, in the brackets, 2x minus 1 by 3 is equal to 3 into 2 multiplied by, in the brackets, x plus 2 by 2, or 2 multiplied by, in the brackets, 2x minus 1 is equal to 3 multiplied by, in the brackets, x plus 2, or 4x minus 2 is equal to 3x plus 6, or 4x minus 3x is equal to 6 plus 2, or x is equal to 8. Check. 2x minus 1 by 3 is equal to x plus 2 by 2, or 2 into 8 minus 1 by 3 is equal to 8 plus 2 by 2, or 16 minus 1 by 3 is equal to 10 by 2, or 15 by 3 is equal to 10 by 2, or 5 is equal to 5. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. B. X by 6 plus 5 is equal to x by 3 plus 2. X by 6 minus x by 3 is equal to 2 minus 5, or x minus 2x by 6 is equal to minus 3, or minus x by 6 is equal to minus 3. Multiply both the sides by minus 6. Minus x multiplied by, in the brackets, minus 6 by 6 is equal to, in the brackets, minus 3 multiplied by, in the brackets, minus 6, or x is equal to plus 18. Check. X by 6 plus 5 is equal to x by 3 plus 2, or 18 by 6 plus 5 is equal to 18 by 3 plus 2, or 3 plus 5 is equal to 6 plus 2, or 8 is equal to 8. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Forming an equation from solution. We can make many equations with any given solution as shown below. Let x is equal to 4 is the solution. Then multiply both sides by 4. 4x is equal to 4 into 4. Add 3 to both the sides. 4x plus 3 is equal to 16 plus 3, or 4x plus 3 is equal to 19. So, we formed an equation whose solution is x is equal to 4. Can you form some other equations? Infinite equations can be formed for a given single solution. Example, construct 3 equations starting with x is equal to minus 2. Multiple answers are possible. Solution 1. X is equal to minus 2. On multiplying both the sides by 3, 3x is equal to minus 2 into 3, or 3x is equal to minus 6. On adding 1 by 2 to both the sides, we have 3x plus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 6 plus 1 by 2, or 3x plus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 6 multiplied by 2 plus 1 by 2, or 3x plus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 12 plus 1 by 2, or 3x plus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 11 by 2. 2. X is equal to minus 2. On multiplying both the sides by minus 3, minus 3x is equal to 6. On adding 6 to both the sides, we have 6 minus 3x is equal to 6 plus 6, or 6 minus 3x is equal to 12. 3. X is equal to minus 2. Divide both the sides by 5. X by 5 is equal to minus 2 by 5. Add 2 to both the sides. X by 5 plus 2 is equal to minus 2 by 5 plus 2, or x by 5 plus 2 is equal to 8 by 5. Applications of simple equations. Simple equations can be used to solve daily life situation. We convert the word problem into mathematical equation and then solve. This can be illustrated more clearly with few examples given below. Example 1. If I take 3/4 of a number and add 3 to it, I get 21. Solution. Let the number be x, then 3 by 4 of the number is 3 by 4x. On adding 3 to it, we get 3 by 4x plus 3 is equal to 21. Or 3 by 4x is equal to 21 minus 3. Or 3 by 4x is equal to 18. Multiply both the sides by 4 by 3. We get 3 by 4x into 4 by 3 is equal to 18 into 4 by 3. X is equal to 6 into 4, which is equal to 24. Example 2. Ibn Hal thinks of a number. If she adds 19 to it and divides the sum by 5, she will get 8. Find the number. Solution. Let the number be x. X plus 19 divided by 5 is equal to 8. Or x plus 19 by 5 is equal to 8. Multiply both the sides by 5. X plus 19 in the brackets into 5 by 5 is equal to 8 into 5. X plus 19 is equal to 8 into 5. X is equal to 40 minus 19, which is equal to 21. Example 3. Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. He is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. What is Lakshmi's age? Solution. Let Lakshmi's age is equal to x. Father's age is equal to 3x plus 4. Also, 3x plus 4 is equal to 49. As per equation, 3x is equal to 49 minus 4. Or 3x is equal to 45. Or x is equal to 45 by 3, which is equal to 15. So, Lakshmi is 15-year-old. Example 4. People of Sundargram planted a total of 102 trees in the village garden. Some of the trees were fruit trees. The number of non-fruit trees were 2 more than 3 times the number of fruit tree. Find the number of fruit tree planted. Solution. Let the number of fruit tree is equal to x. Number of non-fruit trees is equal to 3x plus 2. Also, as per equation, in the brackets x plus in the brackets 3x plus 2 is equal to 102. 4x plus 2 is equal to 102. 4x is equal to 102 minus 2. 4x is equal to 100. On dividing both the sides, we get x is equal to 100 by 4, which is equal to 25. So, 25 fruit trees were planted.